How to get 0.5 zoom on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get the 0.5 zoom on your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now if you do not have the inbuilt 0.5 zoom, what you need to do is you'll actually need to search for a filter that gives you the 0.5. For that, you'll see a small search icon right below or on the bottom right side of your filters. Tap on the search bar, and on the search bar search for 0.5. So I'll just search for 0.5 and that should give me the ultra zoom. So after I use that filter, as you can see, the filter will give me an effect that should look like the 0.5 zoom, and doing that, you're basically good to go. And that's how you do it, guys. That is how you get the 0.5 on Snapchat. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.